Hello, we're doing a sewer lateral inspection. Address is 3327 South D Street. Right now we're at the city connection in the street. As you can see, that water is from the other houses going down in the main city sewer line. We're going to start recording on our way back. We're going to check the line out, make sure everything's fine. If we see any broken sections or roots or a lot of buildup, I'll go ahead and let you guys know. Okay? So far, the total amount of footage of this line is 94 feet. We're running it from a roof vent in the property. So we're going to start pulling back. So the type of pipe that we have in the sewer lateral is clay pipe. So far, so good. Small hair root coming out of the joint at 43 feet. Turn. Okay, at this point here, at 33 feet, we have a change of pipe. So we have a clay pipe, and then we have the clay pipe, and then we have the cast iron pipe inside of the house. You can tell the difference of the pipe. This one's a lot more rough because it's a metal pipe. We got a small belly where the camera's gone underneath water. As you can see, it's holding water, probably like about a quarter of it. connection there. That could be a laundry connection. That's right outside of the house by the hose bib. There's a clean out there. So the pipe looks like a little bit offset. When they installed the new pipe, they must have not compacted the bottom, so the pipe went down. See, as you can see, the cast iron is up here, and the ABS portion that they did is lower, so that section is holding water. Okay, we're back at the cast iron. As you can see there, on the right side, a little bit, on the right side you can see like the line has a small fracture. On the right side of the screen. As you can see, there's a cavity there on the pipe. There's right at that point there, you can see an indentation on the pipe. That's most likely a cavity, a hole on the pipe. That's a bottom section. We got another one there. Another one there. Okay, so we're turning into the vent line. This is the vent line. This is the property we're running the camera in. That's the front.